Futurecast.
Well, that's a live shot of our thermometer here in the Pinpoint Weather backyard right now, reading 86 degrees here in East Providence. Officially, we hit a high temperature of 91 at the airport, so that's day 2 of temperatures in the 90s. We try to go for day 3 tomorrow. It will be a very close call. So whether we get a heat wave or not, well, we'll talk about that coming up in just a minute. Right now, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 is scanning the skies over southern New England, not finding anything. We did see a threat of thunder showers today, but it didn't really materialize, and you can see those dry conditions continuing out over Narragansett Bay. A nice shot here from Providence. Temperature 88 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 13 miles an hour. Still 84, very warm degrees in Newport. That land breeze warming up Newport to 89 degrees for today. 85 westerly, Smithfield right now sitting at 82. Satellite picture shows a few clouds floating overhead, especially out here in eastern Massachusetts. At the edge of your TV set right here, here's our next front that we're watching. That will be an impact weather maker for tomorrow. It arrives anytime from the early afternoon to the late afternoon. We go hour by hour with our Futurecast. Just keep your eye on the clock right here. A fairly quiet night on the way with partly cloudy skies. And then anytime after 1 o'clock tomorrow, there will be the chance of a shower or thunderstorm. But I think the most likely time would be, say, between about 4 and 8 o'clock in the evening, coming in from west to east. By around 8 o'clock, I think the threat starts to shift out to places like New Bedford and out here towards the Cape. Any of these storms could be strong with gusty winds, isolated downpours, so something to keep an eye on for tomorrow. I think a better chance of seeing those storms tomorrow than we saw yesterday or today. St. Mary's Feast, maybe you're headed out to Cranston. Fireworks get going at 8 o'clock. Temperature 83 degrees for that. 10 p.m. down to 76. By tomorrow morning, still in the 70s, then warming into the 80s. A slight chance of a shower or storm, but again, the better chance would be not until late tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures tomorrow getting close to 90 in spots. 89 Pawtucket, 87 Rumford, North Providence. I am going with 90 degrees and 89 downtown. Now remember, in order to get a heat wave, we need 3 consecutive days of temperatures at least 90 or higher, and our official records are kept at the airport. I'm going with 89, but that doesn't mean we couldn't slip into the 90s as we head into tomorrow. Nonetheless, it will be another warm day. Now the main difference will be along the shore. Wind shifting around from the south. That's more of a ocean direction for us, and that will pull those temperatures down into the low 80s. So Newport 82 degrees, Charlestown 83, Ashaway 84. Maybe you're headed over to Narragansett Town Beach. Tomorrow 82 degrees, a slight chance of storms into the afternoon. By late afternoon that chance increases, so just make sure you have an alternate plan, a place to kind of run to, maybe running to the car if one of those storms should arrive. Northern Rhode Island temperatures in the upper 80s, maybe 90 tomorrow, 90 Lincoln, 90 Oaklawn, Foster 90 degrees and 89 degrees in Pasco. Eastern Massachusetts temperatures in the low 80s along the shore. Bristol gets up to 87 degrees. On the water tomorrow, winds out of the south 5 to 15 knots, some gusts up to 20 with waves around 2 feet. 7-day Futurecast shows 87 for Tuesday. Should be a dry day, a slight chance of a shower storm Tuesday night and Wednesday. It stays hot. Boy, it's tough to get rid of this heat. 90 degrees on Thursday, 89 Friday, chance of showers and storms on Saturday, and then a potential cool-off on Sunday. But I've seen this happen before, Danielle, where we think we're going to have this big cool-off, and it does not happen. So, you know, we'll keep tracking that, but a very warm next several days on the way.
Yeah, we're still flirting with that fringe of a heat wave still.
We are. Right now I'm saying we're not going to do it, but it's going to be a very close call. I'll have more updates tonight at 10.
Okay, thanks, Pete.
Yep.
And still to come on Eyewitness News at 6:30 tonight. The Red Sox try and earn a